How to upload more than 100 photos to your Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload more than 100 photos to your Facebook page. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here Facebook limits 100 photos for single post, but you can upload unlimited photos using multiple posts. So here what you can do is simply open your Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here once you're inside the app, what you can do is just switch your Facebook account to Facebook page. And now here once you're inside your Facebook page, what you can do is just tap on plus icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu, just tap on post. And after that, on the next page, you can simply tap on photo slash video. And after there, you can select up to the 100 photos. As of right now, I'm not selecting it, but if you want to select it, then what you can do is just tap on select multiple, and after that you can keep on selecting the photos and videos, and you can repeat the process with the remaining photos. And once you do that, you can just tap on next, and after that you can edit, put captions for it. And here once you're done with that, you can just tap on post, and you can repeat the process with the remaining photos as well. And once you do that, all photos will be posted on your page without any issue. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.